What is up, guys? Back with another banger video. I just want to say shout out to vipertek for giving me this very special gift. Mom for buying me these anyways. So first we have these handcuffs that vipertek gave me, and I know they're very dirty, but it doesn't really matter. The only thing is that the chain is not strong enough, but I don't really care because it's very cool. Over here it even says vipertek, so that it's like not, so that people think that you're not buying it from like a store that came in like a plastic box or something. So I wanted to give a shout out to them for giving me these cuffs and the keys, so just in case I lose one, I have the other one, and I get to handcuff myself like any day, anytime. So yeah, then when you take a key, both of the keys are the same, and yeah, you just have to push it all the way in, turn it this way, then that's your first pair of cuffs off. Then you have this one, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna turn it this way again. Then yeah, and then you just close it. Or if you don't want to, you don't have to close it. It's very cool. It's very nice. First of all, vipertek for giving me these handcuffs, and my mom for buying these handcuffs. So the MVPs. If you want to shout out in my video, just go down below in this video. Click and subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and give this video a like. Austin Roberts video, and I'll give a shout out for your channel. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and channel, and comment down, and then I'll write it down, and I'll just give everyone, the people who are watching today. Peace.